So hey there and hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you can see, we are on this monday.com dashboard because today I'm going to teach you on how to use this monday.com for your marketing. So as you can see here, this is the Monday Work Management. And right now guys, is the first thing you need to do is you just need to go to this website and then you can log in for free. And then you will be headed over here to this dashboard and you can see here the workspace that you need to use and then other workspace. Then you can either name on your liking. For example, to this is I'm gonna name it marketing. And after that one is you can choose if you want a privacy of this task or this workspace. And then here you'll be headed over here. You can see here that you can add a workspace description about this new workspace of yours. Then you can also invite members to this workspace. You just need to type on their email. And then after that one guys is you need to head over here to add a template, add from templates or start from scratch. So if you're talented on this, you can start from scratch. And then after that one is here you will be able to see here the different templates. And on this side is the categories or the general templates. You can either search here or look on this part. But right now is we are going to use this website for marketing. So let's find marketing. You can see here, you just need to tap on this one. And then you will be seeing here different types of templates about marketing. Email marketing, this one, the communication, the Monday marketer. Here, depending on your liking, you can choose anything you want. Then I'm gonna start to choose this one. Hold on. Okay, let me try this one because you'll be able to see here the apps that integrated with this template. And I think this one is hidden. And then as you can see here, you'll be able to see here the description of this template, a video about this template, and then here is the apps that integrated with this one. And then use the template, tap on this one. And then after that one guys, just need to wait for a little bit because you will be headed over to the main dashboard of your workplace. Then right now you can change this name depending on you or edit the description. And on this part guys is we are going to scroll down and see some of the tasks that we needed to. So here are the types of views on this button. You can add another view here. As you can see here, the table, the Gantt, the chart, the calendar, the Kanban, the file gallery, the form, and blank. And after that one guys is let's try to choose this Kanban view because this is very to edit. And this is the Kanban view, and as you can see guys, this is very empty. Here again is the main table. There are difference of this Kanban view and the main table. As you can see here guys, if you want to delete guys, you just need to go there and tap it. And then you can choose here the delete button and then just tap on delete again. Okay, let's go back to the Kanban view guys, where you will be able to see there this one. Then here guys is you can easily add a task here or an item. Then as you can see here guys, it's very empty, but we can add a item here. You just need to click on that add button. And then after that one is you can rename it. And depending on you, for example, that is I want to rename this one into latest deals. And then after that one is you can now edit your item. You can add the date, the starting date or due date, and then the campaign owner. For example, to that is this one. And then you can add again another one and then rename it again. So this is just a vice versa guys. And then this one guys is the working on it process, and it's very empty. So So what we need to do is, so you can see here guys, you can drag this one to this part. So you can drag some item to another task. So here guys, you can also add new item here by clicking on that one, or import items from another workspace. And then on this part guys, is you can see here, you can sort the column depending on you, ascending or descending. Then after that one is the more actions. You can hide some of the columns here. For example, that is this one. And then after that one is you'll be able to see here. So you can also conditional coloring depending on you, but you need to first choose a column. And that's it guys. And after that one is on this part guys, these are the offset integrated with this one. So this is the automation center, and it's very loading guys. And right beside these templates is the board automations, then the connections, and then the usage of this workplace. So some of the features guys is needed to avail a premium plan. So depending on you if you want to avail a premium plan. So right here guys, you can see here the notifications, the update feed, where you will be able to see here some of the messages. And then here guys is you can invite someone to work management here. You just need to type on their email, and you can decide if you want to make them a member or just a reader. You can use this one guys, find some more features about this website. Just need to scroll down a bit, and then after that one is choosing a color guys, is you just need to tap on that one. Going back here to the main table, here is your main table guys. Here you can rename this one. It really depends on you guys, depending on what kind of marketing you will be making. In here you can add another column here guys, and also here you can also hide some columns here guys. And then you can also add another group here guys. For example, to that is I'm gonna put here ongoing. And this one guys is you can also add another label here. For example, to that is I want to add a urgent label. You just need to type on that one, and you can also depend on the color. You can now apply it. And after that one guys is you can double check or review it, as you can see here. And then if you're ready to go, you can go back at this home page, and you'll be able to see here your marketing workspace. And that's how you use monday.com for marketing.